Thokozani guys, thokozani ugogo Sikhutheni lona insizwa kaDlamini. Sila manje. As you can see, this is tap water. There's nothing inside the water. It's tap water. So senza kanjalo guys. We're in this together. I'm also doing it. Abaphila abantu akusetshenzwe asebenzeni sithole imisebenzi abashada abantu akube nokuthula emndenini akukhanye indlela zabo amadlozi abo abalalele noma abaphahla abakhuluma nabo novela inxaba uNkulunkulu ngicela abalalele mabathandaza siyaqala. It's up to you what time you start guys. This time ayifani neCoke noma ungaqala ebusuku namhlanje noma ungaqala as long as ngo day 7 uzophuza lamanzi. Kuphan like the guys. Kuphan tele let's try kamuka meeting. So yeah, sisonke. Guide 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then ngicela indwang qala. We got the footy, that's my 1 meter cloth inside. Akube kuhle guys. So, yes, the cloth ne amanzi azodla le cloth cause inkulu. And on day 7 moto yaphuza amanzi azobe aphelile. It's fine. Every day ungaloku add amanzi, every day ungaloku add amanzi. So obviously I won't say my prayer because yay ziningi things funayo. Yeah. So ngisho phambi kweni so uyakhanyisa. You can do it while you're on your periods. Yes, you can do it. You can do it even if you're pregnant. Yes, you can do it. Yeah, as long as uzoqala namuhla, it doesn't matter the time. Guys, I love the spark on my candle. It says something to me. Like ifila ikhuluma nami ngenye indlela angazi nina nikuphi. Senze into eningi la, don't be surprised uma uzophupha izinto ezinzima uphupha abantu bakuhlasela le ichachibopho le izokubonisa izitha phuma kuwe. What time do you start guys? It doesn't matter the time, but as long as you do it today. Sisonke day 7 siyaphuza, so esiphuza sonke. Remember, have faith. You need to believe in it. You don't believe in me, but you believe in the message that is sent to me so that I can give it to you guys. God can't talk to us all, but He listens to everyone, and He will surely give you answers, but through a certain person. So stay blessed. I'll think be busy. So you don't add salt. Makphela amanzi. When the water dries up, you don't add salt. You just keep on adding water. You just keep on adding water if the water dries up. And to those abangatholanga amacloth, may the good Lord see you through. And may He bless you with your heart desires as well. All the best to everyone. Remember, our Father who art in heaven, Tata wona modimo, Baba wethu osezulwini, konke kuzokhanya kulunge. Amen.